Now, let's go over how to earn ETH using Lido right from your Trust wallet. Lido is a liquid staking protocol that lets you stake your Ethereum without locking it up. That means you can still use or move your ETH while it's earning rewards. When you stake ETH through Lido, you'll receive a token called stETH, which stays pegged to the value of Ethereum. You can trade, lend, or use stETH across different DeFi platforms. It's a great way to earn passive income while keeping your assets flexible. 2. Get started. Open your Trust Wallet Web3 browser and in the search bar, type lido.fi. Once the Lido website loads, scroll down to find the Ethereum staking section and tap on Stake Now. Next, connect your Trust wallet when prompted. Then, enter the amount of ETH you'd like to stake and tap Submit. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to confirm your transaction and complete the staking process. Once it's done, you'll receive stETHs directly in your wallet. That's your staked ETH working for you while staying completely liquid. And that's it. You've successfully staked your ETH using Lido through Trust Wallet. You'll now start earning staking rewards automatically while still being able to use your stETH in DeFi whenever you like.